Good morning, everyone. I am back. It's day 5 of the bathroom demo, and it's coming along really well. Today, I actually need to figure out what's the plan for the bathroom. I'm going to go tile shopping and shopping for the fixtures. So basically, I'm going to end up getting, oh, there's Elena. Hold on. Okay, my neighbor. Tell her Elena, she's gonna remember. Okay, sorry about that. My client who lives right next door, coincidentally, she was walking by, so I'm gonna say hi to her. But anyway, what I wanted to say is that I'm going to get the fixtures. I gotta get this whole plan so the guy can buy materials, or I can buy materials, and he can hopefully start making it really pretty next week. So my fingers crossed that he'll be able to be done, almost done in 2 weeks. Hi, buenos dias. Do you mind if I put you on video?
Okay.
I'm not live.
Oh, good.
There she is. This
Hi.
is my client, so sweet. She lives right down the street. We just figured that out. So cool.
Happy for you.
Oh my God,
Can I
come in.
see it?
Absolutely.
I can see it?
Absolutely. So I'll check back in a bit. For Jim and Christina.
Oh.
She was asking me how it looks. Here it is. Look at that. Oh God, can't wait. Okay, so today is day 5, as I said earlier, and I was taking a tour of my neighbor's house. She was my client, and she's now here in San Miguel. I am a mess today. So much going on. I'm exhausted. That's why I got these glasses on. I'm really on a main road, so it's very noisy. I'm going into this plumber shop to see if I can find 2 sinks and fixtures, and just to see what they have. They actually have tile. So the worker said that they had pretty good prices. Let's see, it's actually Dow Tile, or maybe they have the Dow Tile brand. But I'm just running around like a chicken without a head. So let's see what's happening here. Someone's calling me. Stop calling me right now. Seriously, not in the mood. Okay, so that was short-lived. They do not have sinks here. I'm not sure why he told me to come here to look for sinks. Maybe he was suggesting that I buy the fixtures there. I don't even remember. I'm so tired. I just did a quick circle and now I'm heading to this decor shop. Anyway, there's La Chimeas across the street. This is like the only intersection we have in San Miguel with like a major light. You can kind of see it down there. Maybe it used to be a roundabout, but they changed it up about a year ago to make the traffic flow better. All right, I'll check back. Going up to the shop, and I'm good. How are you? Somebody's practicing their English on me. Let's see what they have. Okay, so I'm in Inter Ceramic. They have really nice stuff, but no, the prices, like there's this bowl right here behind me, which is really nice. $1,000, no, not happening. These are cool too, a little too big, but too shallow. So I'm just gonna keep it moving because there are people who make really interesting bowls. I just need to figure out where they are because I saw them online. And yeah, right now I'm feeling real tired, looking tired. And that means my patience is at like less than a quarter tank. This is a nice shop. So you can see like a home goods. It's a home goods, not home goods, materials for building a home and remodeling. They have a lot of options. They have some really cool tiles here. I'm gonna take a peek at them, see what they have. Maybe I'll find something here for the shower. Keep you posted. Okay, so I'm in the third store on this little stretch, and let me see what they have. It might work out a little bit better. I have no idea. It's a good size. I'm going to check everything out and see what happens. Okay, so I made it up the street to a store that is actually home decor, but they have these really awesome Mexican chimeneas. They have a lot of stuff. You can see those over there. So I'm undecided. I'm thinking about getting this plain green one or a cafe, which is bigger. Anyway, I think I'm gonna get the bigger, more neutral kind of brown colored one because I think it will match better in the backyard, even though I do like that this might bring some, this one right here, some color to it, but let me think about it. You'll see what I end up buying because I'm gonna get one today. I just don't know if it'll fit in the back of my car. We'll see. Okay, so I'm having a hard time deciding on what color to buy because I like them all. I'm normally not taking a risk with too much color. I really am drawn to the turquoise for some reason, but it's not normally what I would choose. And then they have like these other like more natural colored ones that I'm thinking about. Okay, so there's a mustard one right here, I don't know if you can see that, and then there's a brown one right here, kind of brown cafe with some other colors in it, and I'm so torn. The brownish kind of reddish one is much bigger, so I'm kind of thinking I'll get that, but I want to take a leap of faith and get something that has color on it because it's really interesting as well. Anyway, okay, so I just put a deposit on a chimenea because I couldn't decide on the color, and my car is down here and I didn't feel like driving all the way around because he has to kind of get it out of the cluster and then clean it up and all that. So I told him I'll come back and get it tomorrow, which is good because now I can think about the color that I want. I took 3 photos, and when I go to the house, I can kind of think about it. I'm trying not to be everything neutral. I really like the one they call it verde, but it's more like a turquoise color, and I just thought it was pretty nice. The other ones are also very nice. I always like the finish on these chimeneas because they're always multicolored with a dominant color. So it just looks like a faux finish of some sort. It's pretty nice. So let's see what we end up with mañana. Hey everyone, so this is the end of day 5. So this was kind of the first week that things were really popping here, you know, between cleaning on Monday, getting estimates, having the table fitted, just kind of starting to work in the house. Last week, well, the first week, what did I even do? Oh, I was looking for furniture. The second week, kind of the same, and also organizing some of the bigger pieces like a refrigerator and the wash machine and like the island that I had to get for the kitchen, or I got for the kitchen. And then this week was all about getting internet set up, so I'm really happy about that. And also, what else? So tired. Just trying to see where to source things. That is a struggle. So if you're building a house, I just want to say, or remodeling a space, you know, come with a lot of patience. It's definitely doable. It just takes a little bit longer. Definitely be patient with the process. Especially with the older homes, you're going to run into all sorts of challenges. Right now, I feel that we're working with amazing bones with this house, honestly. So in saying that, I was able to take a peek at my client's home. Really amazing, so different in terms of like the layout and things like that. But, you know, one of the things that she mentioned, which I have more of an appreciation for at this point, hi Lane, is that, you know, it has Mexican touches in terms of, you know, just like the woods and things like that. Okay, for example, this door, it's made so well, right? And look, it's really nice. I call it the door to nowhere because it's the door to the kitchen, to the other side, the door to nowhere. But I do really like it, right? And it has nice glass, it's done, it's made really well. There are like these kind of like touches and things that I can truly appreciate. You know, but there's some things that I wanna kind of tone down the brown just a little bit and add like a little bit more of a natural feel. I love that the walls are completely blank canvases right now, so that's exciting me. Stay tuned. I'm actually going to speak to a muralist probably this weekend about doing a mural on the wall going upstairs. Thanks to Waylon, who does the Fat Bastard Art Walk tours, and we did one of those a couple months ago. He's amazing. He started this a while ago, and he has groups that go out. I think it's probably every Saturday. It could be more often than that, but you can find him on Facebook. Again, Fat Bastard Art Walks. I did not make that up, okay? But he's very in tune with a lot of the muralists that do the street art throughout San Miguel, which is amazing. So I have like this concept and idea. So I'm gonna meet with an artist who's 23, and he gave me his name and number. I sent him some things that I think I wanna do, and let's see how that goes. What else did I wanna share with you guys? So yeah, the bathrooms looking good. I went to a couple of places today. I started to say that it's a little bit slower process to find. For example, if you walk in, you see bowls and sinks and whatever, that doesn't mean they have them. Sometimes you have to order things, and because it's Christmas next week, things have slowed down even slower than they normally are. So I'm gonna take a quick trip back to Celaya, Home Depot, probably on Sunday, and see what I can find. I found 2 sinks up the street at the Don Pedro, which was in an earlier video. And I think that we'll be able to pull it all together with, you know, going back and forth. And then the tiles and all that, I'm not exactly sure where I'm gonna get those from, but there's a place in Dolores Hidalgo that I know I can get them from, because what they have out is what's available. So I'm going to put it all together this weekend and let's see how it goes. But I wanted to share something with you guys. So there's a Meyer lemon tree in the back. Look how cool. So these are ready. I just asked one of the neighbors, because apparently she got some of these before I moved here from the backyard. And there's a gardener who was just in to kind of tell me what he was gonna work on tomorrow. And I was like, okay, cool. But I asked him, are these ready? Because, you know, they look ready. They smell amazing. So there's a lemon tree back there, which I'm excited about. I love the idea of having, you know, some sort of fruit tree or trees in the backyard. I really like the garden idea. Aside from that, I'm done for the day. I'm so tired. So peace out. Thanks for joining me this week on this journey. These videos are obviously pre-recorded. Please subscribe if you didn't or haven't and you're following me. Please support. There's a lot more people watching than subscribe, so I really appreciate you guys, but hit that subscribe button. Also the notification bell if you enjoy the content that I'm providing. If you have ideas and questions about building or remodeling in Mexico, throw them in the comments below. I try to check my comments as often as I can. You're always welcome to send me an email as well to afroexpats@gmail.com. And don't forget to, you know, stay tuned for more Casa Elm coming soon. The plan and goal is January 2022. So happy holidays. Ciao for now.